Sound suppression water system has started. T-minus 13 seconds. T-minus 10, go for main engine start. We are go for main engine start. T-minus 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery with the Hubble Space Telescope, our window on the universe.
Mission Control, Houston.
Roll program. Roger, roll, Discovery.
The roll maneuver puts the vehicle in the proper launch plane. Guidance officer confirms a good roll maneuver. Engines now throttling back. The throttle down maneuver assists in reducing the aerodynamic loads on Discovery as it passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure. Velocity now 1,200 feet per second. Discovery downrange 3 nautical miles.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
All 3 engines now throttled back up.
Go at throttle up.
Engines at 104%. The go at throttle up call signifies that all systems are performing well. All 3 auxiliary power units look good. Discovery's velocity now 2,300 feet per second and is downrange 8 nautical miles. Standing by for SRB separation. And both solid rocket boosters have separated. Discovery's velocity. Charlie coming in over your shoulder.
A little bit more.
Okay, still coming.
Okay.
What's my Z?
Okay, Z is minus 538. And it's coming up nicely.
And this is Hubble Telescope Control in Greenbelt. We have been given the go-ahead to begin commanding release of the forward latches, which hold the solar arrays in place during launch along the side of the telescope. The forward latches are on both sides, both the port and starboard side of the telescope.
Houston, Discovery.
Go ahead, Charlie.
Okay, Story, we've been taking marks. Residuals and ratios look good, and we'd like to go ahead and go to filter state.
We concur, Charlie.
Story, I was taking pictures. You want? I may have missed your call. You want to go ahead and do RMS power down so we can get the guys out of the airlock set up for them?
But that's at your convenience, Steve. But once we do have the RMS stowed, then we'll back out of EVA.
Okay. I'll tell you what. We'll spend just a few more minutes then getting some pictures here.
Yes, sir. Do just that.
And Houston, Discovery, we're ready to close payload bay doors if you still are.
Roger that. We were just talking about that, and the test looks good, and you have a go for payload bay door closing.
This is Mission Control. Crew's been given the go for payload bay door closing based on the possibility that weather forecasters will be able to revise the forecast downward on wind conditions for Edwards later this morning for our landing opportunity. Discovery's velocity now Mach 6, altitude 133,000 feet, 181 miles away from Edwards.
Discover Houston, state vector transfer to the BFS, please.
Landing gear is down and locked. Main gear touchdown. Nose gear touchdown. Discovery rolls out on runway 22 at Edwards at the end of mission STS-31 after traveling 2,068,213 statute miles on this mission. Mechanical Systems Officer reports steady braking. The normal amount of braking is about 8 to 10 feet per second. And this detailed test objective today is designed to be a light braking or low energy braking to try out the new carbon brakes. Wheel stop.